Papa, before making sweets, how do they know how much work it will take?
Good question. That's where estimation comes in.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Now imagine two sweets. One, a normal bundi laddu. Another, kaju katli with multiple decorations. One is very simple to make, but the other one has a lot of steps and decorations. Even without making them, you can also tell, right, which one is going to take more effort. In Scrum, this is called estimation. Estimation is all about understanding how big the work is, how complex the work is, and how much effort it might take. It is not about the exact time. Estimation is not about random guesses. It's not about making false promises. It's not about predicting the future perfectly. It is our best understanding based on the experience and comparison. In our sweet shop example, it is like saying that kaju katli is much harder and time-taking than a laddu. In estimation, you just compare these sweets instead of tracking the exact minutes. Without proper estimation, team takes on too much, planning becomes unrealistic, and team is not able to deliver on time. Estimation helps the team plan better. So remember this, guys. Estimation is not about being exact. It's just about being realistic. If this explanation helped you, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put your comments on what do you want to learn next.
So, estimation is like comparing work, not guessing time?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.